వెల్కమ్ టు హరీష్ యూనివర్స్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం మాడ్యూల్స్ ప్యాకేజ్ గురించి డీటెయిల్ తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మాడ్యూల్స్ కవర్ చేసిన తర్వాత ప్యాకేజ్ గురించి చదువుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ దీస్ టాపిక్స్ మనం ఇప్పుడు కవర్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న టాపిక్స్ అన్ని మనం కవర్ చేస్తాము. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మాడ్యూల్, ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకొని మాడ్యూల్ అంటే ఏమని డీటెయిల్ తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇమాజిన్ you go to a library, there are so many books is there, math, science, English, so many books is there. So instead of writing all this one book they are divided into different parts, like one book, some page is math, some page is science, some page English. Like this way module if you split, instead of writing all subjects one book, they are divided into different books. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తానంటే ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇన్ వన్ బుక్లో రాసే కంటే దే డివైడ్ డిఫరెంట్ బుక్స్లో డివైడ్ చేసేదాన్ని మాడ్యూల్ అని చెప్తాను. ఏ మాడ్యూల్ ఈజ్ ఏ వన్ బుక్. మాడ్యూల్ అనేది ఒక బుక్. ఇట్ కంటైన్ రిలేటెడ్ పైథాన్ కోడ్, ఫంక్షన్స్, వేరియబుల్, classes. These are information are stored in this. Okay, now we will take one example and explain in detail. What is module? A module is it's contain lot of information. If you import that keyword, import that name, then you can access some amount of data. Like math is a module. It contain lot of it's contain lot of mathematical operations. What type of, like square, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Like this way so much of information are stored in that. Okay, then import. Now we are importing. So import math. Okay, then math dot square, then you can automatically square 25 square 225. Like that way the output will display. Now here we are taking only 25, like 5 square 25. In case 25 square, if you 25 into 25, like one something answer is there, like 25, what the square it is? 5 square 25. In case 6 square, in case if you place here 36, then the output will 6 square 36. Like that way the output will display. Import keyword is used to perform the operation. Math is a module name, I already told you. Square is a function inside the module. Square means function, I mean module inside the function, it is called square, sqrt. Okay, then now we are taking one more example and explain in a detailed way. Import random. Random is a module. By using random, print random dot randint 1 to 10. In between 1 to 10 they will pick any one number randomly. Okay, like 7, like 10, like 20, like that way. Okay, if you print us in how many number of times, the random number can be displayed. Right now the 7 number is displayed, but if you run one more time, the 7 not be displayed, it's displayed 8, 9, 10, like that. Okay, now module use mathematical calculations. Random is random numbers. Date and time is date and time. OS means operating system talks. Okay, now I think you understand the module concept. Right now we'll rewind easy way. Module is a like one type of library. It contains lot of information. By using module name you can access the data, like math, physics, chemistry. If you this data contain one module name, the module name is used to access the data. If you import keyword use and module name use, then you can access data in easy way. No need to write so much of lines of code. Okay, now we'll discuss package. Imagine a school. Inside the school there are many classes, like math class, physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so many classes is there. School is a package. Okay, each classroom modules. A package is a collection of modules. Okay, difference. Module package, one Python file, collection of modules, like one book, like a library. One file, collection of modules. Okay, module is a file, like a book. Package is a collection of modules, like a library. I think you understand. It is difference. Module is a collection of data. By using that module name you can access the data, and package is a collection of modules. This contains so many types of modules. By using that modules you can access perform the task like based on the library. Okay, like then next practice questions, import math, and math means mathematical operations is there. In the mathematical operation they know what is pi value. Right now I want to display pi value, so import math, print math.py. Right now they will display 3.1415 like that way the output will display. Then next, which keyword is used to use a module, which keyword is used to perform the task, what keyword is used to the module will activated. Can you tell me? A is include, B is import, 3 is using, 4 is open. Which one is correct? Import. Import is a keyword. By using import keyword you can perform the task. Interview questions, what is a module? A module is a Python file that contains functions, variables, classes that can be useful. Okay, the module is a Python file. It's a file that contains so much of information like math operation, PA operation, like so many operations is there. By using functions, variable, classes, these used to perform the task, you can reuse the code. Once module name is used, you can reuse the code automatically. Module is a one book, package is a collection of books. Okay, file handling. Right now we'll rewind the topics. File handling, it is a 11, it is a not 11 part. Now I am splitting the topics and explain to you. Okay, topics covered. Now what topics we will cover? File hand this in this video. Now we'll complete file handling topic in a easy way. How to open file, open, how to close, how to write the code, how to append, like these all topics will covered in this video. Then file handling. A file handling now we take one example and I will explain in a detailed way. Imagine you have a diary. Today you write, today I learned Python. Tomorrow you open the diary and read it again. Day after tomorrow read it again. Python can also read and write files. This is called file handling. File handling means if you open any text file or any file, then today you will write the code and tomorrow you read it and tomorrow you can edit it. Like this way the Python file handling works like that. Now we'll take one example and I will explain. Like file is equals to open notes.txt. Now I am taking, now already I wrote note.txt, I open and I write something like text, some sentence, some passages. Now I want to read. By using read or you can use to read the data. Okay, now I am using R mode and open the file, and this data contain hello Arish, welcome to Python. Now I want to add something in that. Now I want to read. First of all I read, then after I write. First file is equals to open, this is the structure. Notes.txt is equals to read, print file is equals to read, file open. Then hello Arish, welcome to Python. Then I want to write. By using write, here we use W mode. In the W mode you can open file and write something. By using write function you can write Python is easy, then automatically they display like this. Okay, then append data. Suppose the file already has Python is easy, then now you can add line without deleting the old data by using A mode. A mode is adding new data and without deleting the old data. Okay, file is equals to open, this is a file name dot text, A is adding file dot write, slash n means it displayed in the next line. I love coding. File close. Whenever you open the file, then must and should close the file. Then the code will perform without having any errors. Now the file become Python is easy. I love coding. Okay. Instead of closing the file manually, then if file is equals to open, this file is open, I want to read, file dot read, then close. Instead of using this way, now here you use file is equals to open, then must and should close the file dot close. Now we are using with you can use, you no need to close the file. Once you open and do some operation, automatically it will close after completing the task. That way the with you can use to perform the task. Here they mention Python automatically close the file after reading. Okay, R means read the file, W means write the file, write the code, write over writes old content. Okay, write means write the code. Okay, A means adding new data without deleting the old data. Okay, real life example: notes app, personal diary, student marks file, bills and receipts. All these are file handling. File handling you can use to perform these all tasks. Okay, with function you can use and write the data as file dot write. We are adding hello Python and now first remarks. Hello Python we can add into that. Okay, which mode is used to read a file? Can you explain? Can you tell me? W means write, A means adding new data, R means read, X means what? If you know, add. Can you explain in the comment? Okay, like the file handling function I will explain in a detail in a next video. Like now we covered W, A, R. In these three, can you tell me what is the answer? R means read. 3 C is the answer. Okay, interview questions. What is the file handling? File handling is a process of creating, read, write, updating files using Python. Okay, file can do read, write, add, manipulate. It can add new data. Like this way the file handling will perform the tasks. Okay, this is the overall easy way. I will complete module one book. Module means collection of some functions used to perform the task. No need to write a code. By using this function you can reuse the code automatically. Package means you can import the package based on the in the package we have a lot of modules. Based on the modules the package will perform the task. And file means read, write, add, review, all the operations, all the modes you can use in the file handling. R means read, W means write,